Today we're going to talk about the Elektric Offroad Designs Billet CNC aluminum bumper Fairlead hooks. Now, we designed the 6061 aluminum Billet Fairlead bumpers with a built-in Fairlead, and then we also designed the hook for these specific bumpers to give it a very clean, very flush look. Now we designed this, see the approach angle I'm showing you here? Very minimum sticking out. You know, all the designs out there existing, we felt that there's got to be something better. See the quality? Now we offer these in 3 different colors: gunmetal gray, clear, and black. And these are all hard anodized. The bumper below is just an upside down version in anodized black compared to the bumper above.